Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 30-minute chart, and we have seen this is a clear uptrend, and then last here we can see this is a sideways market. So first all create a new all-time high, and again price pull back. Next day price open a gap down and stay like a sideways. So what is our next trading plan, where we are going to take position tomorrow? So first, if just a minute. Okay, if price open near this area, so we are focusing on a buy side. So above this level, let me show you. So the price will be around 42,950. Okay, 42,950. If price break this lower point, so definitely we are looking for short. So next the target will be near moving average 150. So this one 150 exponential moving average, and this one 100 exponential moving average. This 100 exponential moving average now act as a support. So we are focusing on if price break this lower point. So first the supporting level near 150 exponential moving average at the level of 42,950, and the next supporting line around 200 exponential moving average, and price will be around 42,600. This one 42,600, that will be our support. All right, if price open a gap down. So if price open exactly in between this range, so basically we are looking for buy. It is a probability to retest this previous higher point. So another, if price open a gap up, like here I can see price gap down, price open a gap down and price stay in between this range, and next if price open a gap up, so definitely we will wait for a pullback near this supporting line. Now it will act as a support. So let me explain. Let me remove this moving average. Okay, so suppose price open a gap up, so definitely we will wait for a pullback like in this level. So this resistance will act as a support. So once price pull back, so we are looking for buy above this supporting lines, and the next target will be here in this area. All right, so let me show you Nifty. Okay, this one Nifty, and let me use moving average. Okay, now here you can see, let me show you first the daily time frame. Daily time frame is a clear uptrend and given a little bit pullback. All right, so if you see H1 chart or 30-minute chart, let me show you first 30-minute H1 chart, and the previous market behavior, price are bouncing off moving average 100, moving average this one 50, and right now just little bit below this 20 moving average. So it's a probability to retest this level or in this level. So basically we are focusing on a buy above this moving average around 18,600, or if price pull back to the level of 18,450, so that will be our buy opportunity. If price open a gap up, so definitely same, we are looking for a pullback. So after that we are looking for buy after giving a pullback somewhere above 18,740. That will be our target. So morning I'll explain where is the supporting level and where is our target price, and our target price will be somewhere here, but basically we are using standard deviation to find out our entry and exit point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.